Welcome to another episode of Cyber Secrets.
And Torsocks. Let's run Proxychains, and then Iceweasel, and then what's my IP address. And as you can see, nothing happens. We'll do the same thing with Torsocks. Torsocks, Iceweasel, and what's my IP address. As you can see, nothing happens. We're going to have to start the Tor service first. So we're going to go and close here, and just type in service space Tor space start. Once it's started, we'll go and run the two items again. Now we're going to run Proxychains, Iceweasel, and what's my IP address again to show you that we are on a Tor network or exit relay. We're going to do the same thing with Torsocks. So you can see, run a Tor exit relay. Now let's do something a little bit different. I'm going to do Proxychains and then go to a website called Start Page. It's very common with the Tor network and the Tor browser project. Let's go to Start Page. We're going to look for a search engine called Graham's SearchNet. So Graham's can only be gone to on the darknet. And that's, you can see the website up above. We're going to do Proxychains, Iceweasel, and then Graham's. As you can see, you cannot get to it through Proxychains. You can, however, get to it through Tor or Torsocks. The reason is because Proxychains doesn't do a really good job with DNS. With Torsocks, it does a great job with the .onion DNS. We're going to do a couple searches, see passports. We're definitely able to use the Graham search engine. Let's go and do drugs. That's a common thing on this search engine. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and look for botnets, just to show you that you can go to .onion addresses using Torsocks. And to mix things up a little bit, instead of using Iceweasel, I'm going to use a text browser called Lynx. Go to the same website, Graham search engine, and as you can see, it is just text-based. It's a little bit safer, you still can get cookies, but you're not going to run into a lot of the potential vulnerabilities like you would with any sort of scripting languages like JavaScript or VBScript. And as you can see, I am searching through Graham's. Now I'm going to go to Agora. Here's one of the downsides about links. It's sometimes if you go to a website that takes any sort of CAPTCHA, any graphic representation, you may not be able to use it. If you need to do an assessment on a .onion address or Tor network, there are some potential problems. For example, Proxychains does not really work that well going back to the DNS issue, but Torsocks does. Sometimes, however, all the ports that you scan, you don't come up with anything, so you need to pick specific ports. Now I'm going to scan Torch. Torch is another search engine which does not specialize in darknet black markets. This just does your basic darknet. So I'm going to go Torsocks, the nmap. Again, turning off ping, forcing it to TCP connect, and trying to do a faster scan. Again, once we try to scan everything, nothing pops up. But if you scan specific ports, you will find something. And as you can see when we do scan,
The Cyber Secrets web series covers computer forensics, hacking, and everything in between. Thank you for your continued support of Cyber Secrets. With the reboot of the different series, we want to ask if you have ideas for future content or suggestions for improvement. Please let us know. Click subscribe for new episodes of Cyber Secrets.